Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on this device's display. To enable zoom, you have to press the two-key combination of Windows and plus buttons. Once you use this combination, you will see the magnifier bar on your screen. Using this magnifier bar, you can increase and decrease the zoom level using this plus and minus icons. It's not responding for some reason. Let's give it a moment. Okay, so basically press plus to increase the zoom level, minus to decrease it. Next icon lets you reset the zoom level. Next two icons actually. Now this icon lets you play text or read text from the screen. So if you click on it, you will hear the name of something that it detects on the screen, and using this icon you can read from a specific point on your screen. So if you select it, then select an element that you want to start reading from, it will read the name of this element on your desktop. The next option is settings, and if you go to magnifier settings right here, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving this slider to the left to decrease the speed of the magnifier, to the right to increase it. And you can also change the voice of the reader by expanding this list and selecting the voice that you need. You can also go to settings by clicking right here, but you can also access the magnifier settings by going to start menu, settings, then accessibility, then magnifier, and then in magnifier just switch the toggle to the right to enable it. You can also change the zoom level in here, the zoom increment, and the most important part is the view. So you can choose one of the three available views. The one that you see right now was the full screen view, but we also got docked view that looks like this, and you can change the size of it by moving the bar below the docked view magnifier. And the last option is the lens magnifier, which looks somewhat like this. And each of these views has its own settings. So for example, if we go to docked magnifier view, you will be able to change the magnifier following settings. So by default it follows mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor, but you can disable one of these options and the magnifier will stop following for example your mouse pointer, and therefore will start looking like this. Now as for the full screen magnifier, it also has the following settings. So you can basically make it do the same thing, unfollow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, narrator cursor, but you can also place your mouse pointer and text cursor either within the edges of the screen or make it centered on the screen. So for example, if we make the mouse pointer centered on the screen, the magnifier will start looking like this, and keeping it within the edges of the screen will make the magnifier look like this. And now as for the lens magnifier, there is only one change that you can make, and it's the height. It's basically the size and the shape of the magnifier. You can change the width and the height of the magnifier by moving the according sliders on the right side and below it, and therefore you can see what your magnifier looks like, and this way you can adjust it to your needs. And that's basically how you use magnifier on your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.